The jury retired a short time ago to begin considering their verdict in this murder trial at the High Court in Dundee. Renowned human rights activist Rita Banerjee was found dead at her home in the West End of Dundee back on the 25th of January 2021. The jury was told the accused, Andrew Davidson, was initially linked to the killing because his DNA was held on a police database and matched DNA found at the scene. Andrew Anderson, BNC1, at the High Court in Dundee.